Are you looking for the best undercar creeper seats in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best undercar creeper seats that are available on the market. Starting at number 5, we have the WheelX Mechanic Creeper. I've owned this 3-in-1 creeper for about 5 weeks, and the leaning mode has become my favorite feature. It's perfect for those in-between jobs, where lying flat is too low, but sitting upright doesn't give the right angle. Transmission work and suspension tasks are so much easier now. The pin adjustment system is straightforward and locks securely in all 3 positions. I've tested it extensively, and there's no unwanted shifting or slippage during use. Build quality impresses me. The stainless steel frame feels exceptionally solid, and at 265 pounds, I'm well within the 340-pound capacity with plenty of margin. The TPR wheels roll smoothly across both my smooth garage floor and the rougher driveway surface without catching. The cushioning strikes a good balance, firm enough for support but soft enough for comfort during longer repairs. I've spilled oil and degreaser on it. Everything wipes off easily without staining. At 36 inches, it accommodates my height comfortably without being oversized. The versatility of 3 modes genuinely enhances workflow efficiency. For mechanics wanting maximum positioning flexibility, this creeper delivers excellent value and functionality. Moving on, at number 4, we have the DNA Motoring Tools Rolling Folding Car Creeper. I bought the DNA Motoring Creeper 3 months ago, and it's been a reliable addition to my workshop. The red color is a nice change from the usual black, easy to spot in a cluttered garage. The transformation from creeper to seat works smoothly once you get the hang of it. I use seat mode frequently when working on wheel assemblies or lower body panels. The thick padding is comfortable enough for reasonable work sessions, though not quite as plush as some premium options. The tubular steel frame feels robust and handles my 210-pound frame without issue. The 150 kilograms capacity provides good headroom for heavier users. Those polyurethane casters glide nicely and haven't scuffed my epoxy floor, which I appreciate. My main critique is the width. At 17.32 inches, it's slightly narrower than I'd prefer. Taller folks might feel a bit cramped. Also, the padding could use more contouring for the headrest area. Overall, the DNA Motoring Creeper offers good build quality and versatility at a competitive price. The dual-function design genuinely saves space and adds convenience. A smart choice for home mechanics wanting flexible positioning options. At number 3, we have the MAXWORKS 50874 40-inch plastic rolling garage creeper. I've had the MAXWORKS 50874 creeper for about 6 weeks, and it's proven to be a solid workhorse. The 40-inch length gives me plenty of room to stretch out, and at 19 inches wide, it's stable without feeling bulky. What I appreciate most is the plastic construction. Unlike metal creepers, this won't rust from spilled fluids or moisture. I've wiped off oil, coolant, and brake cleaner multiple times. It cleans up effortlessly and shows no staining or degradation. The material feels surprisingly sturdy for plastic. The dual tool trays are genuinely useful. I keep sockets, wrenches, and my flashlight within arm's reach instead of constantly rolling out from under the car. The 6 casters roll smoothly, though they're a bit noisy on concrete. The padded headrest provides decent comfort, though not as plush as higher-end models. For extended jobs, I sometimes add a folded towel for extra cushioning. At this price point, the MAXWORKS delivers excellent value. It's lightweight, maintenance-free, and functional. Perfect for home mechanics who want reliability without breaking the bank. Definitely recommended for regular garage use. At number 2, we have the JEGS 2-in-1 Folding Creepers. I've been using the JEGS 2-in-1 Folding Creeper for 2 months, and it's become indispensable. The conversion between creeper and seat modes is effortless with the locking pin, and I switch positions constantly during jobs. The padding genuinely makes a difference. No more back pain after hours underneath my truck. The headrest prevents neck strain when looking up at components. Those 6 wheels glide smoothly across my garage floor, and the low profile fits into tight clearances easily. Build quality is impressive. At 230 pounds, I experience 0 flexing or creaking. The frame feels durable despite regular use in messy conditions. The seat mode is perfect for brake work or wheel well detailing. My only minor complaint is the wheels occasionally pick up debris, but that's easily remedied. For DIY enthusiasts, this creeper delivers excellent value through comfort, durability, and versatility. Highly recommended for anyone working beneath vehicles. And finally, at number 1, we have the Vyper Laydown Automotive Creeper. After years of cheap creepers that left me aching, the Vyper feels like a luxury upgrade. That super fabric material breathes remarkably well. No more sweaty back during summer garage sessions. I've dragged it across concrete, gravel, and even my rough asphalt driveway without a single puncture. The adjustable headrest is genius. Whether I'm working under the front end or rear axle, I can angle it perfectly to avoid neck strain. Those 4 inches casters glide effortlessly, and the protective covers actually work. My shirt stays clean and untangled. Supporting 400 pounds means this creeper handles my weight, plus heavy toolboxes without flexing or creaking. The low profile gets me under lowered cars that other creepers can't access. Yes, it costs more than big box alternatives, but my back thanks me after every oil change. USA made quality shows in every detail. This is the last creeper I'll ever need to buy.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.